Hi, my name is Nathan Perez, and I am an executive career coach and professional speaking on the topic of networking. Prior to this, I spent almost 15 years in the retained executive search industry. But before that, I actually had nearly 30 different jobs, all of which were actually to support my artistic life as a professional actor and writer in New York City and in Hollywood. I'm a formerly trained actor, and I spent nearly 20 years in the entertainment industry. And I actually am the author of the book called The 20-Minute Networking Meeting. The title of the book is called The 20-Minute Networking Meeting, Learn to Network, Get a Job. There are 4 different editions. There's one for executives, there's one for graduates, and then there's one for anybody, or actually graduates and anybody who goes back for their MBA, one for veterans, and then one for everyone else, which is called the professional edition. Early on when I met my co-author, Marcia Ballinger, she had a few different bucket list ideas for books, and we had just started working together at her firm, and she knew that I had a writing background and asked if I would be interested in collaborating on a project. And one of those bucket list ideas was networking. To which I jumped all over, got very excited about it because, as I had mentioned, I had worked almost 20 years in the entertainment industry as an actor and a writer, and networking was an everyday and every night part of my life. In combination with Marcia's networking, her many, many years of networking experience in the retained executive search field as an executive recruiter, I thought that a networking book that was focused on job search and career development for executives could go way beyond the original audience of executives. And because networking plays a role at every level in every single industry that's out there, thought that this would be a really good idea to build and play out. So over the course of 7 years after that first edition, I rewrote and adapted the executive edition of the 20-Minute Networking Meeting that resulted in 3 more editions. One for graduates, as I mentioned, one for graduates, anybody who goes back for their MBA, veterans, and one for everybody else. And that's the professional edition, which is the book that I'm holding right here. I'm thrilled to say that the books altogether have won a total of 10 awards, national and international indie book awards, and that the executive edition has actually just passed its 10-year anniversary. Yay! In this book, learn what networking really is and how to master the 5 most important parts of a networking meeting, create a networking agenda, construct key questions to lead a discussion, expand a professional network with more names, and break into the invisible or the hidden or the invisible job market where over 70% of all jobs are obtained. Make a networking meeting more effective, efficient, and mutually beneficial. Remember, reciprocity is key to all of this. And to execute all of the above and a whole lot more, by the way, inside of 20 minutes. Here's the thing. We're kind of told that networking is supposed to be this, is supposed to be that, is supposed to be the other, and whatever else. And even in the 20-minute networking meeting, we discuss networking with a purpose in mind, right? That you are working toward a specific outcome. But the truth is, really to simplify this, networking at its heart is just discussion. That's it. It is the obtainment or the exchange of information, which is pretty much the same thing, right? And what that means really is that it's just talking. It's just discussion. And because in discussion, that's all we do is trade information, right? Then every day, every single day, we are networking. If you can think about it this way, then you're going to realize that this networking thing has really never been a thing at all, but something that you've been doing all along, talking and taking in and giving out information. Every discussion you ever have, therefore, can and will contribute to future discussions and opportunities. However, the difference in a successful or unsuccessful networking outcome is what you do with that information. Act on it or let it go. You can find me, you can reach me, get in touch with me, or learn more about me or the books at nathanaperez.com. Or you can feel to link with me on linkedin.com, Nathan A. Perez. As I mentioned, link with me if you'd like to. I'm connected with over 3,000 recruiters worldwide. And of course, if you reach out to me, please do mention Shock Your Potential. Have a great day.